Hello, Erin here. I'm going to do a little mask demonstration to show you the different closures that I have for the mask that I've made. So each mask has 2 layers. The outside often is a t-shirt jersey fabric. The inside is usually cotton. Sometimes I double up jersey depending on which fabrics I'm putting together because I like them to look cute. So of course I do have the just regular elastic loops. You know what those look like, but I really like the shoelace cord. These are 42-inch shoelaces. It's one continuous lace run through there. And so here's how you can wear them with just the lace. And so you're going to put this over your head so that initially the inside of the mask is out and the top of the mask is hanging down. And by the way, you can also just let this hang, but if you just have empty, like the plain shoelace, the mask can slip off. So you either want to loosely tie these together, or if you have one of the cord locks, which I'll show you in a moment, then you'll have the cord lock on there. Don't have to worry about it. So this is just the basic. When you first put it on, it does take a little bit of adjusting, but you've got clean hands now, and so you won't have to keep doing this. And so you're gonna just bring it up so that the lace on the back of your neck is pretty snug right now, but you've got enough slack to bring it up to over your face. And then, so this is pretty comfortable. Then you're going to take the laces and put them over your ears. And then if you need to do any more adjusting, this might be a good time, but that feels pretty good. And then I'm going to just tie, if you can, and not everyone can do this, I recommend this, but if you can, I like to tie a bow so that I can release it pretty easily, but I'll tie it pretty tight so that it doesn't just come undone. And so that's it. And then if I need to take it down, I can just go like this. Be careful to let the mask hang so that it's not touching the underside of my face or whatever, but it will just sit here and not touch anything at all. If you need to use it again, you do need to be a little careful to get it on your face first and then bring those up. So that's pretty nice if you're when I'm driving in the car, I will put this on to interact with someone through the window, or if I'm going into the store, and then when I get back in the car, I don't wear it while I'm driving around, partly so I can sing to my music, and then when I get to my next stop, put it right back on. And this does need a little adjusting, but even needing to adjust, you can see that I just have to touch the edges. I don't have to fuss anywhere near my eyes. So even if you have a little adjusting to do, it's pretty safe because you're not going near your eyes, nose, and mouth. So that is the basic lace tie.